Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Adelina Safitri. My NPM is 24411-009. I'm from Management Class 24A. So today, in this video, we're gonna talk about understanding law and business law. So, on the first slide, we're gonna talk about this topic discusses two important concepts, so law in general and also business law in particular. So law serves as the main foundation for society and the business world to operate orderly, fairly, and structurally in business. Law not only restricts actions but also provides protection, certainty, and direction for all economic activities. Understanding business law is crucial for entrepreneurs to not only focus on providing profits but also adhere to moral values and legal regulations. So next, we're gonna talk about the introduction first. So why do we need to understand the law? So we have 4 points in this slide. First is a law regulates social life to prevent chaos. And number 2 is the business world requires rules to create fairness and trust among business actors. Number 3, we have business law prevents fraud, monopolies, and dishonest practice. Number 4, we have law guarantees the protection of consumer rights and business actors. Okay, so I'm going to explain about that key points. So in modern life, all aspects of human existence are regulated by law, ranging from birth, education, employment, to death. Similarly, in the business world, every action such as signing contracts, paying taxes, and product protection has a legal basis. Without law, business would operate without certainty. Conflicts would easily rise and injustice would occur. Therefore, understanding business law means understanding how to conduct business properly, legally, and also ethically. Next, we're gonna talk about the definition of law. So we have a 4 point. First is law. Law is a set of rules governing human behavior in society, created by official institutions like state and parliament. Number 3 is binding and enforceable. And number 4, it's primarily goals like order, justice, and protection of rights. So, according to experts, law is a set of norms that regulate human life in society and possesses coercive power. This means that anyone who violates the law can be subject to sanctions by the state. Law regulates not only relationship between individuals but also between individuals and the government. With law, society can live in order because every action has clear boundaries. Law also serves as a tool to uphold justice and maintain balance between rights and obligations. Okay, we have a characteristic of law. We have regulates and enforces, created by official institutions, general and binds all citizens, has strict sanctions, and maintains social order. Law differs from regulus, norms, or etiquette because it is coercive and has real sanctions. So, if someone fails the law, there will be consequences such as fines, imprisonment, or administrative penalties. So another characteristic is that the law is general, applicable to everyone regardless of social status. Additionally, law is created by official bodies like the parliament or government. Its ultimate goal is to maintain justice, order, and social security. Next, we're gonna talk about goals and functions of law. So the goals of law is, first we have to uphold justice, of course. Number 2 is to ensure order and security, and to protect individual and social rights. So the function of law is as a tool for social control and as a means of social change and as a protector of public interest. So law plays a crucial role in maintaining social balance. With the existence of law, everyone knows that what is permissible and what is not. Law also encourages progress toward betterment, such as through new regulations on the enforcement or consumer protection. In the business context, law ensures that transactions are fair, no party is harmed, and all parties have legal certainty. Okay guys, wait a second. Okay, we're gonna talk about the types of law. So yeah, we have key points again. In this slide is based on search, is written unwritten law, and based on content we have public and private law, and based on national based on territory is national and international law, and based on time is positive law and future law. So I'm going to explain these key points. Written law, such as a civil code, criminal code, and other laws, is officially created by the government. Meanwhile, unwritten law consists of customs or traditions that exist in society. Public law regulates relationships between citizens and the state, while private law governs a relationship between individuals. Additionally, law can be national or international. Positive law refers to laws currently in effect, while future law is still in draft form. Okay. I'm going to talk about the definition of business law. So we have key points is a branch of law that regulates a business and economic activities. So number 2 is governs relationships among business actors, consumers, and the government. And number 3 is ensures justice, certainty, and legal protection. So, business law is a branch of law that has developed alongside the rapid advancement of economic activities. It regulates all matter related to commercial transaction, trade, banking, insurance, investment, and more. Business law is necessary to create fairness among business actors, protect consumers, and provide legal certainty in every economic transaction. With business law, business activities become orderly, transparent, and mutually beneficial. Okay, next is goals of business law. So interesting. We're gonna talk about key points. First is ensures a legal certainty for business actors and protects all parties in transactions, prevents disputes and fraud, and encourage healthy competition. And number 5, it creates a fair, transparent business climate. Business law provides a direction so that economic activities operate within legal boundaries. Its goals are not only to protect large entrepreneurs, but also consumers and workers. Through business law, companies are required to operate honestly, comply with taxes, ensure workplace safety, and respect consumer rights. Furthermore, business law creates economic stability as a business actors feel secure to invest and collaborate. Okay, we're gonna talk about sources of business law. So we have 5 points. So the first key point is laws. It's commercial code, civil code, company law, and government regulations and local regulation. So we have jurisprudence is court decisions. Number 4 is business customs is usage of trade and agreements and contracts. So the source of business law are everything that forms the basis for the establishment of rules in economic activities. Laws serve as the primary source, such as the limited liability company law, consumer protection law, and the commercial code. Additionally, court decisions also serve as guidelines for similar cases in the future. Recognized business custom can also serve as a legal basis, as well as contracts made legally between parties. Okay. The last, we're gonna talk about scope of business law. So we have 7 points, guys. Here we have contract law, company law, consumer protection law, intellectual property law, banking and investment law, labor law, tax law, and international trade. So let me explain to you. So the scope of business law encompasses all aspects of economic activities, from relationships between companies to those between companies and employees. For example, contract law regulates the essential condition of contracts. Company law governs the establishment and responsibilities of business entities. Consumers protection law safeguards lawyers from fraud and intellectual property. Law protects copyright and trademarks. Additionally, business law also imposes regulations and banking, taxation, investment, and international trade to ensure that economic activities proceed fairly and orderly. So guys, that's all about my material right now. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching. See you soon in another video, and bye.